Did you know that hippos produce their own natural sunscreen? This sunscreen is a unique reddish-orange secretion that oozes from their pores. The secretion not only protects them from the sun, but also acts as a moisturizer. This is why you'll often see them soaking in water, keeping cool while their sunscreen does its job. Interestingly, it also has antibacterial properties that help ward off infections. Scientists are fascinated by this natural adaptation. They are studying how it could inspire new sunscreen products for people. Imagine a sunscreen developed from hippo sweat. Nature truly has fascinating ways to evolve and adapt. So, the next time you think of the African savanna, remember the remarkable hippo and its built in sunscreen.